In this video, we're going to work on a subtraction problem. So if you have a problem like this that says subtract 185 minus 35. So you always have to remember your place values, and here they are. So we know that the blue numbers are the ones columns, the tens are here with the purple numbers, and the hundreds are here. So 185 minus 35. So you know you always start here with the ones, right? And you work your way this way. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So let's put that in. 8 minus 3 is 5. And if you don't remember how to do that, you could just look at a number line. So 8 minus 3, or you can count on your fingers. Put up 8 fingers and put down first 1, then 2, then 3, and how many fingers do you have left? You'll see that you have 5. Okay? And then for the the hundreds, it's 1 minus nothing. There's nothing here. So that means we're just left with 1. 1 minus nothing is just 1. So the answer is 150. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Anyone can do math. You could just restart the video and watch it again.